Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I'm trying out this vlogging thing again. I feel like I'm always trying to vlog and I can't. I don't know how to. I get embarrassed in public and I'm super awkward. So I'm going to try, because I personally like the variation between sit down videos and vlogs, but my life is it's actually really boring. I go to work Monday to Friday, sometimes go out to lunch on Saturday or Sunday, and it's the same thing. So yeah, I feel like my life's really boring, but I'm gonna try it. And I feel like this week, to be fair, this week I feel like will be a bit boring. However, I think on Saturday I'm thinking of going to the Louis Vuitton store and I really want to get the Alma BB. So it actually cut off, so I don't know where I finished talking, but yeah, so I may go to the Louis Vuitton store on Saturday because I really want the Alma BB, and the LV prices just keep going up and it's hurting my entire soul. So I'm thinking of doing that. And then today actually I think I want to go and get the Saint Laurent LouLou camera bag, because I've been wanting it for ages. And again, the price went up a few months ago only by £70, but like, it hurts my soul, and I'm just scared that the longer I wait, the price is just going to keep like jumping up, and I eventually won't get it because I just wouldn't be able to justify the price. And yeah, so I'm actually going to purchase it online instead of going into store, because I want to get it from Net-a-Porter as opposed to getting it from the Saint Laurent store, because Net-a-Porter has 10% off, and I feel like 10% is like a decent chunk off, and I can't get that in the Saint Laurent store or the Yves Saint Laurent store. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I've been filming a bunch of videos. That's why my makeup's all done up, but 90% of the time I never look like this. But yeah, I'm gonna just add bits of clips of different days and hopefully put them together, because like I said, my weeks are the same. Monday to Friday I'm at work, so it's boring. There's nothing for me to do. But yeah, so it's vlog. Okay, so I want to get the LouLou camera bag online, because if you purchase from Net-a-Porter, you get 10% off your first purchase. I've actually used my 10% with another email, so I had to use a different email to get the 10%. But so this is the one that I want. So it's the LouLou medium quilted leather shoulder bag. It's the black, of course, with the gold hardware. But here you can see. Let me just expand my screen for a sec. There we go. So we have the mini bag, which has the chain, but it's slightly smaller, of course. Then there's burgundy. There's like this yellow. That's really loud. There's a grey. This one I really love. I love that color, but I'm just a bit scared about color transfer, and I feel like this is my first Saint Laurent bag, so I'd rather just get black with gold hardware, because that's more like my aesthetic. But I definitely want another YSL bag with like this shade. I think they call it the dark beige, but yes, that's just their website, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna go and purchase this right now. I'm gonna do it online because obviously in the Saint Laurent store I can't get the 10% off. Yes, these are all the shades like I just said. Oh my god, I love that color. Look how, oh my god, no, go away. I love that color. It's so gorgeous. But no, I'm gonna go for the black because I love it so much. I'm not too sure about the tassel, but for the most part I really like it, and it looks like it's a decent sized bag. So stay tuned for the unboxing, because yeah, that's gonna be good. But yeah, I'm doing it now. I'm recording myself because I feel like I'm always like trying to talk myself out of it, but it's actually, when I first wanted this bag it was £1,000, and now it's gone up by £70, which isn't a huge difference, but it's a no for me. It can't keep going up, so I'm just gonna get it now before it keeps going up and I never get it. But yeah, stay tuned for the unboxing. Okay, I'm using my front facing camera, so the quality might be a bit off, but I am so distraught. So the 10% off, it does not include Saint Laurent, so I guess there was terms and conditions and I didn't read them. So when I tried to add the code, it said it's not applicable, and so I'm actually really hurt because I thought I was gonna get 10% off. I thought 10% was such a good deal, because it was like, it would be just over £100 off. Like, that's really good. Yeah, I'm really upset. But anyway, I'll just go to the Saint Laurent store I'll probably go to the one in Selfridges. But yeah, I'm not happy at all because I really thought I was going to get 10% off. I knew it was wishful thinking, and all the brands you can get 10% off on, they're like brands that I no. I think the only decent store I see on here they can get 10% off is Tom Ford. There's like no decent brands on here. Oh my god, I'm so upset about Net-a-Porter. But anyway, thought I'd update you because I obviously in the last clip you saw that I was about to purchase it, and then yeah, so I'm gonna go to the Saint Laurent store instead. I might go on Saturday, I might go after work, I'll see. I'm gonna see if I can film too. I get really awkward filming in my hair, oh my gosh, filming in public, so yeah, I'm really awkward, so I'm gonna see if I can do it. But yeah, sad. Hello everyone, so it is a Saturday today, and I'm on my way to get my YSL bag. You guys would have seen from the last time I filmed, I tried to get it from Net-a-Porter, but I couldn't because I couldn't use the 10% like discount that they give. I assumed it was like for all items, but it wasn't, so I just figured I'm gonna go to the store instead, so that way I can try on the bag that I want, but then also try on, sorry, I'm like all discombobulated. Yeah, so I can try the bags that I want, as well as like a few other bags that have been on my list, and I can actually see how they look in person. So hopefully I can film inside. I'm gonna try my best, but yeah, I'm super excited. Yeah, so let's go. So as soon as I got into the store, of course, the first bag I tried on was the LouLou camera bag, and it is of course in the black and gold hardware, which I absolutely loved. It's definitely very spacious. It is in sort of the lambskin leather, so it's quite delicate, and the lady was explaining to me that it can get scratches and things like that if you don't take care of it, but because I'm going with black, it's quite a safe option. Then I also tried on the exact same bag but in the dark beige, which I absolutely love that color, but I was afraid of color transfer, and she did tell me that you have to be slightly more careful when wearing that particular color. And then these are the two bags side by side, so the black with the gold hardware, and then the dark beige again with the gold hardware, which I absolutely loved. And then I also asked if I could try on the toy LouLou bag. Again, I tried it on in the dark beige, which I absolutely loved it, but it is actually a lot smaller. I don't think I took footage of what the bag looks like inside, but there are compartments, so it is quite restrictive in terms of what you can fit inside, but it is such a pretty bag. Again, it's a lot smaller, and she just explained to me that the better option is the camera bag because you can fit a lot more inside. But then here you can see the two bags side by side in terms of the size comparison. They're the exact same shade, it's just one's the toy LouLou and one's the camera bag. But I absolutely love the toy LouLou. And then here I'm also wearing the black with the gold hardware. Again, loved it, but it's a really small bag. And then here I'm just wearing the bags side by side. At this point I knew I was going to get the camera bag, but I really loved the toy LouLou. It's such a cute bag. And then the SA that was attending to me, she was actually wearing the mini LouLou bag, I believe it's called, and it's such a beautiful bag, and I love the gold chain because I feel like it dresses it up a bit. The only thing is that again it's really small. I mean, they're all mini bags, so they're all small, but this one was even smaller, and the price difference between this and the LouLou camera bag, it wasn't a huge difference, and so I'd rather just pay that little bit extra to get a slightly bigger bag. But nevertheless, this was again a really nice bag, and like I said, I definitely loved the gold chain. And then these are all the 3 bags together from the LouLou range. Not all of the LouLou range, but the first 3 that I've tried on. And of course the camera LouLou bag as well as the toy LouLou, they are in the quilted leather, so again they're prone to scratches, whereas the mini LouLou bag is in that caviar sort of grained leather, so the scratches are less noticeable. And then I also tried on the small LouLou, I believe it's called, or the small LouLou bag. I'll have it on the screen here, but I absolutely love this bag. I actually saw somebody else trying it on, and I asked the SA if I could also try it because it's such a gorgeous bag. It's something that you could dress up and you can also dress down. Here I'm wearing it as a crossbody, but then you can also wear it like at the crook of your arm, so it's super versatile, and I absolutely loved it. So as I was browsing around, as you do, I asked if I could take a look at the card holders because I figured I'd really want a card holder to match my bag. And so she initially brought out the black and gold variations that they had.
We carry like coins and cash, and then one of our classic ones that I think is quite nice, not too big.
So this fits cards in it?
Yeah.
Is it just on the side or can it cards can go in?
Yeah, and in the middle as well,
Oh, okay.
which is quite handy. I don't know about you, but I always need to carry coins like half or anything like that.
So these 3 are the monogram card case in the grained leather, also the monogram zippered card case, which is also quite popular. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton like key clays. And then she also showed me the monogram card case with the like, it has like a flap, and I believe that was also in the grain leather as well. And so here I'm just holding the cases to the bag and just seeing which one I like, which one I prefer. You'll definitely see in my unboxing which one I did go for in the end. But as you can see, they all kind of went with the bag because they're all black and gold.
And take your time, have a look, okay?
I love that. What colour is this?
This is called pale pink.
Pale pink. That's a really nice colour.
And that's a new fuchsia colour. They're cute, but they're really small.
Yeah, I can see it's really compact.
Really small. If you want me to run down, because I'm going to make sure I've got a new one for you.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, but take your time and help.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Okay, great. Thank you.
And then she bought me a whole tray of different selections of different card cases, different styles, different colors. She was honestly amazing, and she really allowed me to take my time. I really loved the beige and light pinks and like the dark brown, or like the dark brown. I thought that was really pretty as well. But here you can just see I'm just flipping through and just looking at the different variations. There's bright pinks, there's leopard prints, there's just so many different options. The options are definitely endless. Hello everyone, so I am done. I'm like so exhausted right now. It's just so busy, but I went to the store, as you would have seen, and I decided to go to the one on Old Bond Street, and I didn't go to the one in Selfridges, which I'm so happy about, because after I went to St. Laurent, I got the bag, I went into Selfridges because I wanted to smell some fragrances, and it was just so packed. Like I couldn't, it was just too much, too many people, just you couldn't even look at anything, you couldn't even smell anything, and I literally smelled 2 scents and I left. I was like, I'm not doing this. But yeah, the store at New Bond Street was it was amazing. I had a girl called Ria who was helping me, sorry, I keep touching my hair, but she was the absolute sweetest. She was so like helpful, and like she really, I knew which bag I wanted to get, but like I'm so indecisive, and when I look at other bags I'm like, oh my gosh, I want that too. But no, she really like solidified my decision in getting this bag, and she was just the sweetest person ever. Like she was so attentive, and she was like attending to me and somebody else when I initially got there, and she was like just so nice, and I was just I just wanted to give her a hug. She was the sweetest person ever, and she was so helpful. I ended up getting the bag, which I'm going to do an unboxing, and then I also got an SLG. So can you guess what SLG I got? Because I wanted something that would go with the bag, and all of my SLG so far have been Louis Vuitton. So yeah, I'm super excited. But Selfridges was not the one, so I'm really happy I decided to go to Old Bond Street and not go to the St. Laurent store in Selfridges. Cutting me off, but yeah, I'm really happy I went to Old Bond Street and I didn't go to the Selfridges one because it was so many people, like too many people. But yeah, so I'm actually going to quickly go and do grocery shopping now, and then I'm going to go edit some videos. But yeah, so let's quickly go grocery shopping. I might get like a cold drink because I'm so thirsty because it was so hot. There were so many people. Oh, I couldn't even film in there. Selfridges was horrible. Notes to self, don't go on a weekend because everybody's out. Like I went into the Louis Vuitton store briefly and it was packed to the brim. But yeah, so I'm gonna quickly go do some grocery shopping and then go back home and edit videos. Guys, thank you. I'm going to end this video here because I am exhausted. I feel like it's been the longest day ever, but yeah, I picked up more than I anticipated. But yeah, I'm just going to end the video here because there's nothing else I'm going to do other than edit videos and get, oh my gosh, I didn't realize this is like this huge. Sorry, I didn't realize there was something blocking camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here and go home because I'm so tired. But thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you like the vlog. I'm gonna try and vlog more, but like I've said previously, my life is like really boring. I really don't do anything other than go to work, come back. But yeah, so I'm going to end this video here. Oh, FYI, if you watch my unboxing, this is my Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. Let me just fix it real quick. So like I said, I bought the gold rings. So you can see it with the gold ring because I didn't like how it looked with the silver rings. My key fob is a bit like, it's really fat, but it works. So sometimes I'll have it closed like this. Sometimes I'll have it closed just like this. And then sometimes I will have it dangling like this if I'm actually using it like in my car, like I'm going to use now. But yeah, if case you cared, I'll link where I got these gold rings from. They're from eBay and they were like £2.50. They were so much cheaper than getting it from Amazon. But yeah, just in case anyone cared about that. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.